How to add friends in Zynga Poker. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to launch your Zynga Poker app. You can get this on your App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once you have successfully installed your poker app, go ahead and navigate to your settings option. From here, you can find the Friends menu, which might be located in the bottom right corner of the screen that looks like two silhouettes of a person. By clicking on it, you'll be able to search for your friends. You can search for your friend by name or the username as well. By doing so, an invite will be sent to your friend's ID. If they accept your invite, you'll be able to add them in your Zynga Poker. Once you have been friends with each other, you can use your referral code. To play a game, you have a unique code that you can check out in your account info. Use the referral code to invite your friend in a particular game. Enjoy the game together of a good poker. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.